Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, it's the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, September the 27th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles. The Sudoku with 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left: the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time, boys and girls. Binary time. And let me see. This will be number. This puzzle. Let me position the camera first, because my tripod is not working great. All right, this Sudoku will be number 5240. 5240. Before I start, let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. All right, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Well. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Let me see. Come on. All right. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are ones. Okay. Then. Do we need to compare? Let me see. Here we have 3 ones. Nope. 3. Nope. 2, 3. No. I think we need to compare now. Yeah. Can I compare this row? Double 1. Double O, yeah. How about this column and that column? 1, 1, 1, 1. O, 1, 1, O, empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have O here, this should be a 1. Then 1, 2, 3. Need to compare again. What the double 1? No. About this one. O 10. No. Interesting. How about this row or that row? 1001. Do we have a 1001 here? No, not the same. How about double O here? Double O. Oh, yeah. This row and that row. Oh, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, oh, oh, empty box, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.